Hi guys, this is Rotractor Rohan Gaisas from Rotrac Club of Thane Premium, Chairman HRD 2021. I welcome you all to our HRD initiative, You, Me and RID 3142. In these sessions, we will have a talk with a few experienced Rotractors from RID 3142 and know their life experiences as well as Rotrac life. Karishma Pavaskar is a graduate in psychology from SIS College and currently is pursuing postgraduate diploma course of expressive arts therapy from St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. She is a national level theatre enthusiast and a professional dancer. She has performed in National School of Drama, Delhi, Prithvi Theatre, NCPA, and bagged the best performance in their theatre festivals. She also She also shows her interest in fine arts, poetry writing, and enjoys playing badminton. She has actively been a part of the Rotrac movement for the past 5 years. She was the president of Rotrac Club of Thane Town Wing in the year 1920, and she is currently the zonal Rotrac representative or ZRR for Zone 2 RID 3142 for the year 2021. She believes that everyone has an innate potential to have a positive impact on others' life. So, welcome Karishma.
Okay, so basically, I wanted to join Rotract since I was in school. So back then I was in Interact and I wanted to join a Rotract club. So I tried to get into Ruya. I was in Ruya. So उनके Rotract club में I tried to get into there. But then मुझे ऐसे traveling issues था. So I'm like कि थाने में ही देख लेते हैं. And then a few of my friends like Vinay and Somit, Tejas, Nikhil, they were into this club called Town Wing and they had revived the club again. So I came to know about it and then they were like कि यहीं पे join कर ले अपन हैं सब एक साथ करते हैं. So I was like कि ठीक है fine I'll do it. And that's how my Rotraction began with Town Wing. Especially Somit was the one who convinced me to get into Town Wing only and no other club. So he was one of the major reasons I would say. So then slowly it was like it wasn't about just acquaintance or it wasn't about just Rotract, we were family. So ऐसे था ही नहीं कि there was only one person या फिर दो या फिर एक group. The entire team was just like a family. And because it was a family, इतना सारा वो और भी चल रहा है with no problems touch wood. So I would say it's the best thing happened to me. So there was this event of the entire zone that I had attended, which is the White Revolution. Okay.
Yes.
So that was one of my first starting wale events, you would say, the, and I did not have an idea as to what is going to happen or what is going to be the reach or what exactly is White Revolution. I just knew that I have to get up at 4, I have to reach there by 4:30 and बाकी सब काम करना है. So I was curious about it and trust me, it was worth it. I mean, that's when I understood that, people like us, अपने जो teenagers है, we all come together and serve this purpose, and at the end, when those little kids have these smiles on their faces when we make these chocolate milkshakes and whatsoever that we make, masala doodh and all. And it was so cute. It was so cute. I was like कि बस यही देखना था at the end of the day. So I think that was one particular event which really touched my heart and gave me one more reason to stay in Rotract. So yeah.
Yes.
So basically, I've told this thing like in many interviews and to a lot of people that I see Rotract as a learning platform, as an experiential platform where you can make mistakes and then there's still no one to like pinpoint you कि अरे तूने गलत किया है. It's just that you fall and then you again get up and you learn. So this thing I've learned in for my professional as well as my personal life. So this is one thing that I learned from Rotaract, and professionally it has helped me because the various amount of networking that I got. Then I participated in a lot of events, whether it is district or it is zonal, which gave me a lot of certificates, of course, and जो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा काम आ रहे हैं. So because Rotaract is an international body, it really has a face value when you go out in the world. So that is how Rotaract has helped me professionally. And when it comes to personal gains from Rotaract, so one thing that I mentioned earlier, and the other thing would be I am an impatient person, okay, and through the leadership, secretary ho, presidential ho, and abhi ZRR ho, it gives me more and more opportunities to test myself when it comes to patience. So this is another thing that I've developed within me. So this is how Rotaract has been in my personal life as well as my professional life. So it's a small part of both my worlds. There's a lot of things that I picked. There was friendship, there was crazy memories, a lot of things, of course. But if you talk about one particular thing, I would say that यहाँ पे आके मैंने सीखा that these 5 fingers are actually very different. Okay, so I would pick this thing, as I also mentioned in my introduction, that I see people have innate talent which they don't know and they haven't discovered. So I picked on this thing that people do discover themselves when they really immerse themselves in Rotaract, and that too positively. I'm not saying otherwise, but I've seen people change very in a positive way in Rotaract. So that's one thing that I've picked from Rotaract. Touchwood, I haven't faced this because I made it very clear to my family as to what Rotaract is, and they supported me in each and everything that I did, whether it was Rotaract or other curricular activities. So they were always supportive. But some of the tips or some of the suggestions that I would give to people who face these problems is, one, they really need to firstly be clear खुद से ही कि why am I joining Rotaract? Okay, so sometimes personally I have seen this, that the meaning of Rotaraction has changed a little nowadays. So firstly I would like to tell them कि तुम खुद को पूछो पहले कि why are you in Rotaract? If it is only for party reasons, if it is only for networking and not for other things, then definitely I would say that parents से ज़्यादा resistance आएगा. But if you show them that you're actually working and you're doing good to the society, that is one thing that you can do. You can have a balanced act between enjoyment as well as the main purpose of Rotaract. The other thing is slowly फिर mom dad को या parents को समझता है कि अच्छा ठीक है मेरा बेटा ये भी कर रहा है, he is doing something good to the society. And I would also tell them कि घर पे जाके दिखाओ, show them photos what you have done, show them what you have achieved, participate in various events so that you gain knowledge, and then देखा जाए तो you have some certificates to show. That is how you can reduce the resistance. Also try to involve your parents also in this Rotaraction. Okay, so I've seen clubs doing wonderful jobs involving their parents as well. They are being interviewed, or they are coming for some party or some activity that they have arranged. Parents Day ho to you're making sure that you're doing something related to Parents Day that goes to Rotaract कि बाबा Rotaract में है इसलिए मेरे बच्चे ने आज ये किया मेरे लिए. So small things that you can appreciate and give back to your parents, that would really make an impact. So I think these things are enough for people to like be in Rotaract and convince your parents कि हाँ भाई it is a useful thing that I'm doing and I'm doing something good. So, yeah, that's my take. So personally, I never felt the need of pushing myself कि नहीं करना है तो भी you have to do it. But yes, there were times when I felt very stuck and I was like कि now what to do next and why am I doing this particular thing. So thanks for this question actually. It's a very beautiful question. So according to me, how I push myself is I set only my goals high that I keep on achieving them. And even if at a point एक बार हो जाता है when you are too much invested in your professional life and you can't really give that much of time to Rotaract, which will eventually happen because you are growing. So that is not stagnation, guys. That is really not a thing कि तुम लोग stuck हो गए and you can't do anything to the society or you can't contribute. I would say a good balance between your professional life and your Rotaract life would definitely be very helpful. I would personally suggest to give first preference to your professional life. And उससे ही then I don't know. I have never faced this, so I don't really have an answer for this. But if you have that thing कि बाबा ये मुझे करना ही है, then trust me, time निकल जाता है, time निकाल लेते हैं अपन. So it's all about time management. It is all about how much interested are you in doing it. And it's not compulsory कि when you were like in your first year and you were giving your 100% 12 hours a day to Rotaract, it's not compulsory, guys, that even 5 years after that it is that compulsion है कि you have to give that much of time. That you are a person who are making new leaders and new people in Rotaract who can then take up your place and then do their own contribution. So you are the one who is creating leaders in the entire Rotaraction. So it's not that you're not contributing firstly. So there's nothing like stagnation in Rotaract. It's always in your heart. It was like wow and crazy. ऐसे मतलब पागलपन वाला मोमेंट नहीं, बट like oh my god वाला मोमेंट था. Okay. So in Red 17-18 I had participated as Miss Red and it was my first like early years in Rotaract. Firstly उसमें भी I was the secretary, उसमें भी I was the ACL and then I was participating as a Miss Red contestant as well. So firstly ये पूरा बहुत ही crazy journey था मेरे लिए, but मैंने और RJ ने we had flukily said कि ये साल ना Mr. and Miss Red एक ही zone से जीतना चाहिए, which has never happened and it was very fluke and I was like कि यार मैं कहाँ बच्ची, क्या होने वाला है. There are so experienced people coming and performing there. Trust me, till the end moment I was setting my dance there. I wasn't prepared and that's the reason I did not even tell them to bet on me. Like भाई मत करो. And I performed and the moment I got down the stage, everyone was like crying. And I was like, oh crazy, look what is happening, why are everyone crying? And then I was like okay. So that performance was good. And at the time जब announce हुआ कि दोनों Miss and Mr. Red एक ही zone से है, हम पहले ही कूद के स्टेज के बाजू में जाके खड़े हो चुके थे. So it was so amazing. It was one of my bestest moment in Rotaract. So that was the craziest. And उसके बाद Minku he had promised us to take off his t-shirt and dance without his t-shirt. So that was very crazy. Yeah.
आरजे ने भी यही स्टोरी बताई थी.
Oh, see, we connect. That's really amazing. सच्ची मतलब वो जो experience किया था ना, that moment also was one of the moment जिसके बाद I was like कि नहीं यार, I'm तो going to go in every raid. हर raid के पहले I give myself reasons कि अरे करिश्मा, you have this work, you have that work, तुझे नहीं जमेगा, तुझे कॉलेज का भी काम है.
That's so mean.
At the end हो ही जाता है.
So mean.
तो it's like कि अब होना ही है तो कर लेते हैं.
Okay. So last question. आवाज कोणाचा?
ठाणेकरांचा.
Well, एक second. Yeah. So thank you so much, Karishma. With this, we wrap up our session, and it was amazing talking to you and knowing about your life and your route track journey. And
Yeah, thank you so much for having me. I really relived my moments again, whether it was Red or the White Revolution or like whatever issues and whatever I faced in the entire journey. It was amazing talking to you.